everyone, welcome back to our channel Ielts Winner. Hope you all are doing fine. So today we are back again with one more speaking mock test for you so that you get the idea of how the real exam can be. As you all know, nowadays in Corona, all the exams are being taken mostly through laptops. That is, you will be given a laptop and they will be sitting in other rooms, the examiners, and you will have most of the time face-to-face conversation through the virtual form, that is laptops. So this is a very good practice that you can have. Here you just have to do is that whenever I ask a question, you need to stop the recording, record your answers for each time for each part, and then go to the next question. So you will be pausing, recording. For part 1, you need to give maximum 35 seconds of answer for each question. For part 2, you will get 1 minute for preparation and 2 minutes maximum to speak on the cue card. And for part 3, you have to speak for maximum of 45 to 50 seconds. So after the recording, you just need to um, do your evaluations with the speaking criteria given for IELTS speaking. If you need experts advice from people who have done their IELTS and you want to be evaluated with some trained mentors, do contact us for paid courses. Do like, subscribe and click on that bell icon to receive all the timely notifications. Let's begin our test. So part 1, personal or warm-up session. You will be asked questions on different topics. You have to answer each question for not more than 35 seconds. So after hearing the question, record yourself and move to the next one. Let's start. Hello, I am Anshu, your examiner. Could you tell me your full name, please? Do you live in a house or a flat? Why do you live in an apartment, or why do you live in an house? How long have you lived there? What do you enjoy about your place? What is your favorite room and why? Do you plan to live there in the future? Moving, let's talk about some baking. Do you know how to bake cakes? Are there any sweet foods in your country? Have you baked anything recently? Do you like to eat sweet things after your meal? What occasions do people usually eat cakes in your country? That is it for your part 1. Let's move to part 2, that is cue card, the long run. Here you will get a question and some bullet points. You need to prepare for 1 minute. You can take your paper and pencil to do the planning. After 1 minute, you will start your speech. Here is the cue card. Describe a tradition in your country. You should say what it is, how old it is, how the tradition is formed, and explain why people follow it. Your preparation time starts now. That is it for your preparation time. Now you can start your recording. Don't speak for more than 2 minutes. Now let's move to part 3. Let's move on to part 3. So part 3 is the general discussion or the follow-up question. Each question should be not more than 50 seconds. Here is your first part 3 question. Do you know any other tradition? How would you describe young people's attitude towards tradition? Do you think customs and traditions are changing these days? Are there any changes in modern and traditional lifestyles? That is it for your speaking mock test. Now you can check your answers with the speaking criteria. If you need mentors and experts guidance, do contact us for our paid courses. Hope you did well. See you next time in the next mock test. Happy learning. Bye bye.